Hey everyone, so here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to get the Walk and Talk with Chatterbox session started soon, and I'll be walking for at least an hour usually, and doing some reasonably easy exercises, so you don't have to worry about me pushing you very hard. But if you're interested in getting fit and joining me, please feel free to join me. I believe I will be starting tomorrow evening, and that will be on April 21st. April 21st, tomorrow evening. I'm not sure what time, but I will announce it on my page. So clean off your treadmills and get ready to get fit with me. One day at a time, one step at a time, we can do this together. And by the way, for those of you who don't have a treadmill, you definitely can join in with us. Simply, you can walk on the spot, so you don't have to worry about that.